Kia ora koutou, Markie here. So you may remember some time ago I discovered 2 tobacco plants growing on a verge, just in a public place. So I collected some leaves and did a little experiment to see if I could make tobacco. It's all kind of academic because I don't actually smoke, but I wanted to do it anyway. So I had them drying out in an outbuilding, and they were drying nicely, but they were remaining green. I wanted them to go more brown. So this one's gone, yeah, it's fairly brown. Maybe the light's a bit better. I don't know, it just seems a bit greenish to me, really. But I've kind of reached the point now where I don't want to leave them drying in the outbuilding anymore, because I think they'll stop drying and they'll actually just get damp. So I'm going to start seeing if I can make tobacco out of them. They're actually quite crumbly. I did put them in a drying drawer, which is part of the oven, the other day. So they're quite dry, and I've had them indoors drying for a bit. So, oh, there's a really nice smell coming up there. So how can I get them to the right consistency and texture and size of shag, I believe is the word. It's kind of more, yeah, maybe I can. I'm just going to try and crumble them with my hands. And then I'm going to find some smokers and ask them to test it out for me. So it'd be interesting to see what they say. The smell is really nice. So this is a leaf that's related to potato, Gwendoline nightshade. I'm going to remove these stalks for sure. They're definitely something that I'll remove. They won't go in the mix. The veins, I suppose, better way of putting it. Yeah, potato. I say potato. You say potato. Potato, tomato, and there's some other ones as well, kind of like common plants that we use for things. I can't remember what they are, but they're an interesting family. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll crumble it. I'll let you have a look at the end product when I've done it. So I'm going to get crumbling. So wish me luck, and I'll catch you in the next one. Rangimarie.